Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. This is the end of the 8th week of construction and remodeling at Masjid Sunnah, Chicago, located at 5144 Main Street, Skokie, Illinois. Alhamdulillah. For the last several weeks, we have been working on the underground plumbing, the drainage for the bathrooms and utility rooms, as well as all the overhead plumbing for the hot and cold pipes, the copper piping running throughout the bathrooms, as well as all of the electrical, the new electrical for the entire masjid. Let's take a look. Bismillah. Alhamdulillah. So the village of Skokie has approved our plumbing work for all of the drainage, the underground, as well as the overhead plumbing, the piping, the copper hot and cold, the venting for all of the drainage. All of it has been installed brand new from the ground up, underground, 6 feet deep, you know, from the bottom where the original drainage was. We've taken it all out and put brand new in there with brand new copper pipes that run the hot and cold water, and all of this is done and complete, and inspections have been done, and everything's all done. We're going forward with now filling up all that underground floor that was dug up, the concrete that was torn to do this work. As now we filled everything with gravel, and alhamdulillah, we're gonna put concrete on it next, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, the electrical, as you can see, is still ongoing. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of wiring, a lot of, you can see that we've installed all these boxes, conduits for the fans, inshallah. And also you can see next to the support, the beam support for the building, all of them have next to it electrical boxes and conduits for plugs, and the wiring is in progress right now, inshallah. And then also on the far west wall, you can see new plugs for new boxes and conduits for fans in the future, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. And let's take a look at the underground plumbing that we've covered up so far. So this was all dug up before, as probably in previous clips you can find on the masjid, inshallah. So all this was dug up with new all of it is new drainage, new venting going up to for the drainage. All of it is new, all of it is covered up, filled up with gravel. Alhamdulillah. This metal rods run throughout. And now the next step would be to pour concrete on this. And let's take a look in this bathroom right here. Same thing here. Let's go to the next bathroom. Here, same thing. All this was dug up. All back there in the utility room. Also back here, down here, for the wudu area, inshallah. All of it is covered with gravel, plastic now. Now will be the next step to pour concrete. And then the final bathroom here, same thing here. All this is covered. Same thing here. Alhamdulillah, you can also see that the new copper piping has been installed, going all the way to the other bathroom, through the other bathroom, to the utility room where the water heater will reside, inshallah. Here's the copper piping for this guy. All of this is brand new. Alhamdulillah. As you can see, it's coming from that bathroom. Now it's going to go to this corner where the water heater will sit, in this corner, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. So we'll continue on with the updates as the work goes on, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward all those brothers and sisters who are donating for the construction of this masjid to be open for occupancy, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward all of them. May Allah accept from them. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it heavy, all these good deeds heavy on their scales of good deeds, Yawmul Qiyamah. Jazakumullahu khairan, barakallahu fikum. As-salamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.